Hello, friends. My name is Ashley Davison, and I would like for you to join us in our Super Saturday class called Experimenting, Exploring, and Creating Art with Science. So, on our adventures, we're going to create lots of really cool stuff and learn a lot about science. So, some of the household items you'll need for my class and some artwork that you'll be making involves baking soda, conditioner, dish soap, and food coloring. Some of our activities that we'll be doing are making cloud dough, creating fizzy paintings, making rainbow paper, learning about color diffusing, and exploring lots of really cool, different ways to make art. I hope that you join me in all of the learning and fun that I have planned. Hope to see you soon.